Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 4 and today we are discussion about the management of SIME DARBY as a case study. Here our group member. This presentation studies SIME DARBY property as a case study. In this presentation, we will discuss about 3 management concepts that used by SIME DARBY, which are planning, organizing, and controlling. It also highlights SIME DARBY vision, missions, and goals. Aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, we are focused on SDG 6, water management, SDG 7, clean energy, and SDG 9, innovation and infrastructure. In addition, the presentation examines ethical issues faced by SIME DARBY related to flash flood at Bandar Bukit Raja and defective homes in Bukit Jelutong. Last but not least, we give recommendations aligned by Islamic perspective and values related to SIME DARBY property management.
Next, I will continue the presentation with an introduction to SIME DARBY. SIME DARBY was established in 1910 in Malacca and originally started as a rubber plantation company. Over the years, the company has grown into a Malaysian multinational conglomerate. Today, SIME DARBY is involved in several industries such as plantation, property development, automotive, energy, and infrastructure. The company is currently led by its Chief Executive Officer, Datuk Jeffrey Salim Davidson. Okay, next, SIME DARBY's vision is to be a leader in sustainable community development. Its mission is to create inspiring, connected, and sustainable workplaces for future generations. To achieve this, SIME DARBY aligns its business strategies with sustainability principles. SIME DARBY practices 4 main core values in its operation. The first value is integrity, where employees are expected to act honestly and ethically in all business decisions. The second value is mutual respect and responsibility, which means respecting others and taking responsibility for the environment and the community. The third value is entrepreneurship, where employees are encouraged to be proactive, innovative, and willing to take new opportunities. Lastly, excellence emphasizes continuous improvement and high performance to achieve both personal and company success. Next, there are 3 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) supported by SIME DARBY property that are closely aligned with the core principle of sustainable property development. First, under SDG 6, clean water and sanitation. SIME DARBY property achieved an 18.23% reduction in drinking water production compared to 2022. The company also installed water-saving features in 3,764 residential units, encouraging efficient water use. By 2030, SIME DARBY property aims to further improve water efficiency across its developments. Next, for SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, the company supports its low carbon and net zero goals through the installation of rooftop solar photovoltaic systems. This initiative helps reduce reliance on conventional energy sources. By 2030, the company aims to increase the use of renewable energy. Lastly, under SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, SIME DARBY properties focus on developing resilient and sustainable infrastructure. Through innovation in city and community development, the company supports long-term and inclusive economic growth.
Okay, I would like to talk about 2 ethical issues faced by SIME DARBY property in 2024.
The first issue is about flood in Bandar Bukit Raja. The floods happened because the drainage system was not properly designed. Many residents were affected and some houses were damaged. This raised concerns about the way the company planned the project carefully and took responsibility for the environment and the community. The second issue happened in Bukit Jelutong. 6 bungalow owners received houses with serious problems, such as leaking roof, unsafe structures, and plumbing issues. Even though the buyers had already paid in full, the houses were not in good condition, so it can people to last trust in the company. The conclusion is this issue shows that property developers should not focus only on profit. They also need to ensure quality, safety, and the well-being of the people.
Next one, I will explain to you 3 concept principles of management. The first one is planning. Some DARBY property use planning to ensure that its property development projects are successful, sustainable, and profitable. This includes planning the project design, budget, timeline, and facility needed for future residents. The next one is organizing. Organizing refers to arranging and allocating resources such as manpower, finances, and material to carry out planned activities efficiently. SIME DARBY property organizes workforce by dividing tasks among different departments such as construction, marketing, finance, and customer service. And the last one is controlling. Controlling is the process of monitoring performance to ensure that actual result meets planned objective. SIME DARBY property applies controlling to ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and according to quality standards.
For the first point, SIME DARBY Berhad demonstrates strong competitiveness in the market by aligning its business goals with sustainable development. The company supports several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly those related to clean water and sanitation, clean energy, and innovation. This shows SIME DARBY's commitment to long-term value creation for society, the economy, and the environment. Next, effective application of management principles such as planning, organizing, and controlling has helped SIME DARBY manage large-scale development projects more efficiently. Proper planning reduces project risk, organizing ensures optimal use of resources, and controlling allows the company to monitor performance and ensure project effectiveness. However, SIME DARBY has also faced ethical challenges, including flash flooding in Bandar Bukit Raja and construction defect in Bukit Jelutong. These issues highlight the importance of stronger accountability, better quality control, and improved risk management to protect public welfare and maintain public confidence. Finally, several improvements are recommended based on Islamic values such as trustworthiness, excellence, justice, and the role of humans as Khalifa. The values emphasize better infrastructure planning, stricter construction assessment, transparent communication with stakeholders, and sustainability-focused training to strengthen corporate governance and long-term trust.